Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer, garlic, rosemary, chicken drumsticks. Let's begin. We have here 5 chicken drumsticks and we're going to season it first. We're going to add some salt, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some crushed rosemary, and lastly, some pure ground black pepper. There we go. Turn them over and do the same thing. And season the other side. There we go. We seasoned both sides, and now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button, and we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the chicken drumsticks. But before we put in the chicken drumsticks, we're just going to spray some cooking oil into the basket. There we go. Next, we're going to put in the chicken drumsticks. But before we put it in, we're just going to try to use up the extra seasoning on the cutting board. There we go. And last one. Spread them out. And now let's put it in. We're going to put it to 400 degrees for a total time of 20 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip it over real quick. Smells really good. Here we go. We flipped it all over, spread them out a little bit. And now let's put it back in for the last 10 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking wonderful. Next, we're going to check the internal temperature. And it's above 165 degrees and we're set. Okay, this is what we have today: air fryer, garlic, rosemary, chicken drumsticks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.